Bonjour, this is Julien, the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to pronounce with a typical French pronunciation the name of this village in the region of Normandy in northern France. Impressionist painter Claude Monet lived and worked here from 1983 until his death in 1926. How do you go about pronouncing it in French? In France, we would say it as Giverny. Giverny. Giverny, but it'd be fine in English to say it as Giverny. Giverny. From French, Giverny. Here are more videos on how to pronounce the illustrious names of famous artists, French artists, and the names of many French places that are famous, whose pronunciation you may want to hear and nail the pronunciation of. I'll see you there to learn more. Au revoir.